Hi guys, I'm Shane. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Gomane. I share business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans. If you like the type of content that I create, please consider to subscribe to hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. So guys, today I actually have job opportunities. I think it's about 10 of them, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to browse through and show you some of the requirements that they need for you to apply for these jobs, and so that you can also know the benefits and how much you will be making, and the people that you may need to contact if you have any questions. So the first one is a depot supervisor assistance. So these jobs, guys, please keep in mind that they are based in Durban Central or around Durban. So yeah, and the closing date it's 24 on the 24th of this month. So please hurry up and apply for these jobs before they expire. And if you do know of someone who might need these jobs, please do share, guys. Let's share the information. And the second one is falseman. So that need a falseman, I don't know what that is, but if you do know of someone who can actually qualify for this particular job, please try by all means that you share so that they can get this job. So yeah, and this one is paying very well. So yeah, and then let's go to the next one. But I'm not going to open like all the jobs. I'm just going to at least view a few so that you can be able to see the requirements and all that. So the third one is a recruitment administrator. As you can see, the closing date is on the 24th of this month. And yeah, the branch, so you'll be working in finance, and then as you can see, it's in KZN. So, but I'm sure it's in Durban, not far from Durban, if it's outside Durban, because you can see the what you call that, the municipal logo that is for Durban Central or for Durban. So you also get medical aid, housing subsidy. Wow, that's nice. And then here's the contact details for the person that you can phone if you've got like any question. And the fourth one is senior clerk. So let's see what are the requirements that they need for that. Again, the closing date is the same, and this job is permanent. Okay, and okay, the department is trading services group. Okay, branch is water and sanitation. Yeah, you see, it's in in Durban Central because it's in eThekwini. Yeah, and then here are the responsibilities and all that, the essential requirements. So I think all they have the same benefits because I see there's medical aid, housing subsidy. Yeah, yes. So okay, let's check the fifth one now. And they also have the very same contact person if you've got question to ask regarding these jobs. So we are going to look at specialist technologist. Okay, the closing date is the same. Sorry about that, and it's permanent. So okay, now you'll be working in road system management. The location is town city. So all these jobs, they are based in Durban Central. So yeah, so guys, if you want to check out like anything, you can just pause so that you can be able to read whatever that you would like to read. So yeah, I think this is the last one that we are going to actually check it, to open. So I will leave the link on my description so that you can be able to apply or go straight to these jobs and be able to apply or share. I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye, guys.